can always find the Goddess of Love on the south side of heaven. Good morning, guys. I have a prediction that I need to share with you guys regarding January 1st, 2027. Something tragic is happening on January 1st, 2027. I don't know what, I don't know how, I don't know all of the particulars, but I do know that January 1, 2027, something major is going to take place. And I don't think it's going to be good. I don't think it's going to be good because I saw President Trump kneeling in prayer, praying. I saw it several times. I saw him kneeling in prayer, and yeah, I'm not gonna believe this, but I've met with his mom, Mary. I have, and I was a little girl. I was a little girl when I met with Miss Mary, and I will never ever forget her. But something major is happening on January 1, 2027. And I always tell you that those numbers mean something to me. So when it resonates with me, I know that it's real. Men, I want you to follow the cycle of your significant others. There is our biological clocks that they're trying to alter, and they are to alter them with birth control, you know, and things of that nature. But every 28 days is a new cycle. Every 28 days there is a new moon. There is a new moon. We are, or were equipped with, how do I say this? Every 28 days, women should have a cycle, okay? That's the first clue. So on the 28th day, there is a new moon. And I know people go back and forth. Is it Saturday or is it Sunday? Is it Saturday or Sunday? I have looked at my calendars, and every 28 days from the very first full moon, if you see a full moon, from the very first full moon, start counting 28 days. It's going to be on a Friday. That is the Sabbath. And that is what believers are commanded to keep holy, that Sabbath day. So every 28 days, you're going to have a new moon. It's a Sabbath. And as it turns out, on the 28th day in 2027, that's going to be January 1st, 2027. It's going to be a new moon. And it's going to be up to us to keep that day holy. So I want to just share it. The fallacies isn't in not knowing it. So it's okay not to know. The fallacies come when you have the knowledge available and you reject it. Ladies, we can use our bodies to determine the full moon. And if some of us are beyond the stages of a cycle, just count from the first day of the full moon. And if you count 28 days, you're going to have the new moon, which is also the Sabbath. I'm going to try to keep you posted on the Sabbath, because, you know, every day I'm in happy hour out here on the south side of heaven. Every day. But on that 28th day, and I think it's on the 28th of March, this month of 2025, that's the day that you're commanded to keep holy. I will come back and let you know, but at least that's a start, right? I mean, we're gonna figure it out. Here's just a quick edit for your viewing pleasure. I am the same goddess that told you in Super Bowl 58 who was going to win. I told you love was going to win, and I did call the Chiefs that they were going to win. I am the same goddess that told you for Super Bowl 59 that not only was the Eagles were going to win, but it was going to be a blowout. So I predicted those. Right now, in all of my predictions and everything that I've predicted, I am at 100% accuracy thus far. And I do not take it for granted. But when I can get to sit out and have my morning coffee with the sun and the moon, y'all, that is so special. That it means everything to me. And I hear things. I hear things. I see things. But y'all, I'm good. Walk with me. We gon' figure this thing out together. I promise. I got you. I got you.